Hi, I'm going to show you some instructions on how to use the grip stick. First, when you receive your grip stick, if it has this black rubber piece on the end, you can go ahead and peel that off. That was just put on there to protect the tip during shipping. Second thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the device that you're trying to remove the broken headphone plug does not have any loose metal pieces in it. So you can visually inspect it and then also make sure you tap it several times and make sure there's no loose pieces in there that could prevent the grip stick from going in and surrounding the broken plug and pulling it out. Next, what you want to do is you want to take the grip stick and take your device and you want to push it in by hand. You want to be careful as you're pushing it in and pulling it out, or any time that you're using the grip stick, is do not twist the grip stick. Don't twist it at all like that, because that could break the connectors inside or damage them. So you want to just basically take the grip stick, put it into the jack, and then push it in by hand. You want to push it in about the same distance as a plug, because you're trying to get to this tip here that's broken off inside. So once you have it pushed in far enough, you want to squeeze the grip stick at the base of the device, and sometimes it helps to turn the device upside down, so that way if the broken plug comes loose, then it'll just fall out. So then you want to squeeze the grip stick and slowly pull it out. So it just came out. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in and show you another scenario where sometimes the device tolerances are a little bit tighter, or maybe the plug is a little bit bigger, and so it's stuck in there more, and you need to basically, when you put the grip stick in, push it in a little bit, and then you can tap it in a little bit with, here I have some needle nose pliers. So you want to lightly tap it in. You don't want to put the grip stick in too far because you could damage the tip. So once you have that in, you can go ahead and try to squeeze the grip stick again at the base and slowly pull it out. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is, after you have it in far enough, you can take some pliers, and just like you were doing with your fingers, but here you're going to use pliers, and you're going to squeeze the base of the grip stick next to the device and slowly pull it out. And there you go. That's how you use the grip stick. Thank you again for your support. Let us know if you have any questions.